having a little fun on the printing press today. Are you any good at reading backwards? Okay, we're inking it up. Paper is in place. And here we go. Whoa. Letterpress is great because it has this ability to make this really deep impression, and when you run your fingers across it, it makes all the difference. And there you have it. I only have a limited number of these, so if you want one, let me know.